Your Excellency Ambassador Charlotte Adrian, dear representative of state bodies, dear representative of youth organizations from Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. First of all, let me thank you for the invitation to take part in this important forum. The cross-border project and cross-sector dialogue for tolerance and peace in Central Asia is one of the few unique initiatives supported by the European Union, a consortium consisting of the Konrad Adenauer Foundation and local NGOs that support the aspiration of young people living in the border areas of the Ferghana Valley to live together in an atmosphere of friendship and good neighborliness. The EU strategy for Central Asia aims to promote positive developments in the field of regional cooperation and emphasizes the growing strategic importance of this region for the interest of the European Union. The EU strategy is also aimed to help Central Asia to develop as a more sustainable, prosperous and cooperative space. We seek to strengthen cooperation in the fight against cross-border threats, including the threat of youth radicalization. The EU recognizes the need to support youth as well as to develop regional cooperation. Today's forum, in which you all take part, has become an opportunity for all young participants to get to know each other better and to create sustainable movements of volunteer groups such as Generation of Peace in Central Asia. During my first visit to the regions of Kyrgyzstan last year, I got the opportunity to get acquainted with the volunteers and the work of the Center for Friendship and Peace Building at the Osh State University. This visit allowed me to see in person how impactful such initiatives are and how inspirational and important the work is to work directly with youth in providing opportunities to meet with their peers in the region and to develop projects together and build a common, better, sustainable future in Central Asia. I regret not being able to join you today in person, but I wish you fruitful discussions and a productive meeting. Thank you so much for your attention.